welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to set up a Geodirectory website using WP CLI, the fastest way to install WordPress theme, plugin and demo content in just a few commands. By the end of this tutorial you will have fully functional Geodirectory website running in some time. So let's get started. So in the first step I will download and install WordPress. For that I am using this command. So first go to your htdocs folder or HTML folder and open in terminal and run command. Okay, now it is this command does following thing: download latest WordPress version, extract the file into dbu folder, and create a mysql database dbu. So you must change your password etc at here, like my root is this and password is this. So you can change your according to your configuration, and then move WordPress file to the root folder. Okay, it is taking some time. Only 2 seconds. Yeah, done. And now it is. Now our second step: configure WordPress. For configure WordPress, follow this. So at here we create config file. Okay, config file generated. Now install activate Geodirectory theme. Install WordPress. For install WordPress, follow WP core install. At here we pass URL. So at here localhost GD YouTube and title which you want, and admin user admin and password which you want, and admin email. So you can pass according to your requirement, according which you have. So this will create WP. Now WordPress install successfully, and I do not for best practice, do not use 6 times one password or admin on the live side. I am installing WordPress or Geodirectory on my local, so I can use these big password at here. Now install and activate Geodirectory theme. So for install Geodirectory theme, WP theme install directory starter activate, I will use this command. Now this is the Geodirectory theme. Okay, now in the next step, I will also install WP theme. It is child theme of Geodirectory. It is child theme of directory starter. So I also use I also install this theme also. So for that, because it is best practice to change anything inside child theme, not in parent theme. Okay, now Okay, now WP theme is also activated. Now install Geodirectory plugin. Now last step, uh, install dependent plugin like ayecode-connect, Ninja from user WP, and activate also those. Now our two plugin is installed successfully. And now it's time to user WP. And after that after that we will import con- uh, we will import demo content in a few seconds. Okay, now we will go to WP admin. Okay, user WP setup wizard is here, so let's get started. Let's go. Okay, anyone can register, insert, create dummy user. Okay, and continue. And this is asking for ayecode-connect. We already have a user WP. We already have, and sorry, these are not required. So at this time not required, but after some time it is required. So you can continue. Okay, and return to WordPress dashboard. Okay, one step done, and now it is asking for download latest version 2.0 for theme. So okay, we will do after. Okay, 1 minute. For update WP theme update all. Okay, so this command will update all theme. Okay, I think it is taking some time, but don't worry. Okay, I think we can skip this part. Uh, okay, don't worry. Okay, now it is working fine. But we have to update this Geodirectory theme. So for that, uh, you can update to latest, but it is giving FTP error. So go to um, go to your config file. It is YouTube Geodirectory. Where is YouTube Geodirectory? 1 minute. GD YouTube. ZD YouTube. Okay, GD YouTube. Okay, nice. And at here, open with editor, and at here, mm actually, this issue is coming due to we do not pass like ftpx file command at there. uh, it is not this step is not required, but I am doing this app method direct, so that it will be we can install directly. Okay, now it is installing package from Hoop. Okay, it is giving some error at here, so go at here and give permission. Sudo chmod 777 -r. For best practice, do not give 777 on live side, as I am on local, so I am giving it here. And also this error will not come on live side, on local this is coming. Okay, now done. And now demo it's time to demo content. So you can give Google Map key or OpenStreetMap. So I am using OpenStreetMap. Continue, and you can put your address etc. at here. Click on advance, and at here city, region, country, and all thing at here, and you can set up. In the default it is Philadelphia, so I am using this city, and continue. We already have these plugin via WP CLI, so it is not required. Continue. Now import full demo side, we can use this part, but it is not for localhost, so you can also use on your staging side etc. At that time it will work, but for my I am working on local, so at that time I am using directly dummy data import at here. So first click on insert post. Now it is 53%. It is taking some time, so I am pausing my video. And now 100% means 30 places inserted in the Geodirectory. Now inserting sidebar inserted. Now insert menu item. Yeah, menu item inserted. Create page content. Okay, done. Set page content. You can search page, location page, rating, set tab under order. Okay, done. And now continue. Now we are ready for our setup. So just you can click on create your first list at here, and you can create listing at here directly. And if we want to check our website, then okay, wait a minute, something is missing. Okay. Mm, Also go to permalink and change permalink according to your requirement. I am changing. Now it is coming fine. Okay, now it is done. And now our demo content and all step done from my end. All step done. So, and that's it. You know how to build Geodirectory website with WP CLI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorial. Drop your question or experience with install Geodirectory website with WP CLI. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.